Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just got a gift from LANAZE Philippines consisting the newest product line that we can try. By the way, LANAZE soap, including their newly launched products, are from natural ingredients sourced in the Philippines. LANAZE brand is a product of social entrepreneurial which aims in addressing environmental challenges by creating innovative, business-oriented solutions. As for LANAZE, it's dedicated to take actions in improving healthcare anchored to SDG 3 of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Now, without further ado, let's reveal these newest items. This product is LANAZE Natural Tea Tree Serum with guava leaf extract, ideal for pimples, acne, and skin infections. Help prevent the growth of bacteria on the skin surface, reducing the risk of pimples and acne breakouts. Let's now take off the covering. This is very easy to use. As you can see on top, or shall I say the cover, is a rubber dropper with a glass bulb, because this product is as special as you are. Apply a thin layer of the serum to the face, gently massaging it into the skin. Leave it on for 2 minutes before applying your facial cream or makeup. And it's made suitable for all skin types. It's accredited by the FDA, which can be seen on the label of the product. This one is a bar shampoo made with natural, organic, botanical ingredients that nourishes your hair and scalp. It's free from harmful chemicals like parabens. Smells so heavenly. Plus, using bar shampoos enables you to reduce plastic waste. All you have to do is gently massage it on your hair and scalp to nourish hair follicles and to enhance the absorption of shampoo's ingredients. Last but not least is a product by Self-Care Project 2030 in collaboration with Com & Company, Wellness Made Easy. It's made with 100% pure essential oils. Each scent has its own name. Say for example, what I got is Happy Dill. There's more that you need to know about LANAZE. For every bar of soap or any item you purchase, a part of it goes to charities. So it goes a long way. That's all for today. Goodbye!